we do the Fir Kashes, we do them in Yiddish, and my sister's grandchildren now say them. We used to say them until they, or my kids used to say them. But my father, we loved Pesach. Pesach was one of our best holidays. My father led my father led the Seder in Hebrew. He did use some Yiddish as well, but he always put in little nice things in between, so he made sure that we were listening. If we weren't listening, you know, he made jokes during it, and it was just always fun. They loved Passover. We sing all our songs. We sing in Yiddish, and the children are all learning them. You know, sometimes if I say maybe we shouldn't sing, my children say no, we have to sing the songs, and my sister's teaching it to her grandchildren. So the Yiddish lives on in that way, and this is dem Tatens Fir Kashes. Tate, will dir fragen Fir Kashes. Ich bett bei dir entfer mir, ich bin doch, Tate, also klein, doch gische mir alles zu verstehen. Wir seien doch mit Menschen alle gleich, wo seien mir Ohren, in jene seinen Reich. Oi weh, wo soll es mir nicht verdrießen? Ich geh herum, Boves nacket abgerissen. Mein Chave Jankele spielt heute der Piano, frag ihr dir Tate nu, ma nicht ane. Tate, noch will ihr dir fragen, der Schochen fuhren an Kegen, halt offen auf Shabbos die Tür, und doch ist Präsident von Schiel. Hat doch nicht kein Ziref und kein Jiden, und doch seien alle von ihm zufrieden. Oi weh, was ist das für eine Welt, als der ganze Gott soll sein das Geld. Als min treffen ich als Pusselisch Sinne, frag ihr dir Tate nu, ma nicht ane. So he's questioning, you know, why do they look up to somebody? He's president of the synagogue. He works on the Sabbath, that he holds open the door. He works Saturday, and yet he's president of the synagogue. And why? Because he has money. People look up to him. People look up to people because they have money, not because for any other reason.